So guys, for the first step, we want to head over into this screen. Now there are two ways to get into this screen. For the first way, if you're already logged into Windows, you want to head over to search and type in reset this PC. Click on it. And now you want to click on restart now. Next to advanced startup, click on restart now, and then click on restart now again. And then it's going to take you into that screen. Now for the second way to get to this screen, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. Once you turn it back on again, you're going to see the Windows Zone screen. Now once you see the Windows Zone screen, you're going to turn off your computer and then turn it back on again. Repeat this 3 times and then it'll bring you to here. It's going to say that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on advanced options, which will then bring us into here. Now you want to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then command prompt. Now we have some commands that we need to type in. So for the first command, you want to type in bootrec space / fix mbr. Click on enter. And now you want to type in bootrec space / fix boot. Click on enter again. If you get access is denied, you want to type in bootsect / nt60 space sys and click on enter. But only type that in if you get access is denied. And now you want to type in bootrec space / fix boot and click on enter again. And now you want to type in bcd edit space / export space c:\bcd backup and click on enter. And now you want to type in attrib space c:\boot /bcd space -h space -r space -s and click on enter. And now you want to type in ren space c:\boot /bcd space bcd.old and click on enter. And now you want to type in bootrec space / rebuild bcd. Click on enter again. Wait for this to load. By the way, if you see me getting any errors, that's because I don't have this problem, but in your case it should be working. And now you want to type in y and click on enter. And now you just want to type in exit. And now you just want to continue onto Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.